What's up, guys? Have you created a disaster action plan for your family? How's it going? Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. In yesterday's episode, we went over the 4 steps in how to prepare for an earthquake. If you haven't seen that, go check it out, because today we'll be diving a little bit deeper into step number 2, which is how to create a disaster action plan. So the first thing you'll want to do is set up a family meeting to talk about the types of disasters that can take place and how you guys plan to react. This is important because who knows where your family members will be when the next disaster strikes. You might be at work, the kids might be at school, maybe somebody's home. Will you be able to get in contact with each other? How will you know who's safe and who isn't? All of these questions can have answers if you decide to prepare and plan in advance. During this family meeting, you'll want to pick out a place outside of your home in the case of a sudden emergency. You'll want to be sure that everybody knows where to meet if for some reason you can't return to your house. It would be a great time to also identify every single safe spot in all the rooms in your home, because you really don't know where you're going to be when the next earthquake hits. It's especially important to review this with your children as well. Next, you'll want to determine an emergency contact. This can be an out-of-town or out-of-state friend or family member that your family is to call or text to tell them where they're at and if they're safe. Everybody should probably know this person's phone number by heart. It's important to remember that cell services will most likely go down immediately following any kind of emergency or big natural disaster. This would probably also be a pretty good time to review property insurance coverages and potentially consider things like earthquake insurance. It's also a great idea to keep an updated photo, or better yet, an updated video inventory of all of your personal belongings, your furniture, your children. With all the different cloud services, it really isn't too difficult to store video files away for safekeeping. So thanks for staying this long, guys, and we'll be back tomorrow. So stay tuned and we will see you soon.